I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel. I was watching the news this morning and they had a Alzheimer's awareness walk that was going on somewhere in the West. And I was like, and then later when Mom said she wanted to come up here to Lake Louisa State Park, I was like, I'm gonna do my own Alzheimer's awareness walk. Take a few steps for Mom and for me, because we're both in that dealing with that devastating disease at this point. And it's not easy. Struggling with communication, struggling with comprehension, none of that is easy. Oh, look at this beautiful butterfly. Jesus has overcome everything, including death, and you know, there's nothing to fear. He's worked so many miracles, even in this time of, you know, heavy stress and strain. He's so present, and so that's the main thing I want to say. And of course, you know, I'm not going to continue on too long because the Queen is in the car. And then also it's a very sentimental, I won't say sentimental, but it's a very painful topic to me, for me to really dive into. So, but just, you know, whatever it is you're going through, just make sure to understand that God is always there and there's always hope. And I think the spiritual mindset is also an important mindset to have, because with the spiritual mindset, you know, it teaches us that it's not about what's happening in life, even with the body, but there's something far deeper. The spiritual life, how we're spiritually grounded in Jesus is what actually matters. So whatever happens with the body, the mind, what I can honestly say is that Mom and I have so much peace, and the peace is because of, you know, our spiritual center.
Yeah, I see a deer.
Yeah, isn't that neat? We never saw a deer up here before.
I never saw a deer here before.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. There's a deer. That is so neat. I've been hoping to see a deer up here this whole time. God's creation, natural settings, check it out. How beautiful. How beautiful. I've literally been coming to this park for 11 years, and Mom and I just saw a deer. We rounded a bend, and we always joke how we never see deer, and we're like, how do we never see deer at this particular state park? And we rounded a bend, and then there was a deer right beside my mom, like right on her side of the road. Just about could have been sitting in the car with us almost. It was so cute. First deer sighting up here. Amazing.
Happy birthday to you.
See the camel, Mom?
He's a big camel.
Yeah.
That's a big camel.
It is a beautiful camel.
If he started spinning, that's a big camel.
That is a big camel.
Yes.
Don't, you're not crazy,
body.
buddy. Oh my
Look
God.
at that massive body.
He's big.
Mama's birthday. Look, Mom, another camel.
Another camel. No.
Oh, that's so cute. It's so cute.
No. Okay, buddy, sorry.
Oh.
You gonna cross in front, buddy? Or are you gonna stay on that side?
We could never make or recreate any of this. That's how you...
Just do one at a time, and we ask that you don't break it smaller and no petting, okay?
Oh my gosh, look how cute the face is.
Right, look how big the face is.
You don't have luck with that? I mean, I don't mind that was everything, by the way. Yeah.
So I was not even paying attention.
Okay.
Okay.
Make sure you don't.
Oh, that was
Okay.
both.
We can't feed him on that side.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Sorry.
that. Yeah.
Come
okay.
here.
And then
Come
don't
back.
forget when you do leave. So would it?
And then keeping Good.